And now moving on to another big news coming in, Israel Defense Forces has released a video of damage at the Isfahan nuclear site in Israel. So IDF has posted on Twitter, and I quote, "Overnight we deepened the strike on the nuclear site in Isfahan and it is in western Iran." On the screen, as I quote them, they say, you can see the site where reconversion of enriched uranium takes place. This is the stage following enrichment in the process of developing a nuclear weapon. IDF continues to say, we had already struck the site in the operation's opening blow, and last night we struck it again in a wide-scale strike to reinforce our achievements. This is how the site now looks following the latest strike. Now, for more on this, I'm joined by Shivani Sharma from southern Israel. Well, Shivani, this video that IDF has released, with this, they are sort of claiming a almost complete decimation of this nuclear site of Isfahan. What more details can you bring us?
Anjali, Israel has been stating that it started the operation with the aim of neutralizing the nuclear threat from Iran, and the day one of this whole conflict started with Israel's attack on 4 major nuclear sites inside Iran. And today what we are learning is that the IDF has informed about a major nuclear site in Isfahan, which is in the western Iran, where this site has been damaged, and along with this information, a video has also been attached by the IDF to show how devastating this attack was on this particular site. And it has been reiterated by the IDF that it will not stop until all the nuclear sites, which were including the nuclear program that was supposed to be completed very soon, will be completely wiped out. Second, the nuclear scientists who are involved in this and the commanders who have been associated with this nuclear program of Iran are also the targets by the Israeli Defense Forces, and that's what we see. So while this action from the Israeli Defense Forces goes on inside Iran, Iran is also hitting back with a number of ballistic missiles on different buildings, the residential buildings, the hospitals inside Israel, and that's what we are looking at the impact of in Israel. So this continues, and the war is escalating each day, with Israel taking ahead its operations against the nuclear targets inside Iran.